Okay, it's time to make a twinkle sandwich. Do you know what a twinkle sandwich is? A twinkle sandwich is when you put the flower song and the monkey song together to create a bread, some cheese, some mustard, some pickles, some ham maybe, some peanut butter, what else do you like on a sandwich? Eyeballs? I like eyeballs in my sandwich. I think that would be really tasty. Let's put those in there. And then at the bottom, we put another piece of bread. Today, we are only gonna make the bread. So let's make the bread together. The bread together is the flower song backwards. So let's think, the flower song is G, G, A, G, C. So if we were to flip around the notes, it would be C, G, Let's try that with every single rhythm. So we just did ukulele hot dog. Let's do it together. So everyone get your third finger ready to go with your beautiful positions. Strong spot activated. Thumb on top. Nice skiing arm. Beautiful positions. Okay, let's start with our C, 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 C. Ukulele hot dog. Open C. Ready, play. Ukulele hot. Now G. Ukulele hot. Now A. Ukulele hot dog, ukulele hot dog. Notice how I kept my third finger G down the whole time? You should be doing this for every single rhythm. Keep your third finger down, and now let's do ice cream, cone, open C, ready, play. Ice cream, cone, ice cream. Now A, now G. Good, now let's do down pony, up pony. Here we go. Keeping my third finger down. Here we go. C, ready, play. Down, pony, up, pony. G now. Down, pony, up. Now A. Down, pony, up, pony. Back to G. Very good. Now let's do strawberry, blueberry, open C, ready, play. Strawberry, blueberry, Okay, last rhythm, and then we're gonna do the theme. Oopsies. Rhythm is Mississippi is a river, open C, ready, play. Mississippi is a river, Mississippi is a river, Mississippi is a river, Mississippi is a river. Okay, now this one's gonna be the most recognizable. We're gonna do Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Let's do that one more time because this one's a little bit tricky. Do we play every note 2 times? We have to play the last G only 1 time. So we're going to do 2 C's, C, C, now G, 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 now A, and then 1 long G, G, last time, ready, play. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Guess what? We all know the first 4 notes of Twinkle, Twinkle is Little Star of all the variations. Now I wonder if we can get the next 3 notes or 4 notes in the next minute. Guess what? You already know how to do it. It's the monkey song going down the ladder. Here we go. Listen first. F, E, So let's do ukulele hot dog first. Ready? Here we go. Ukulele hot dog, ukulele hot dog, ukulele hot dog, ukulele hot dog. You just went down the ladder. So now if I put the first part together, twinkle, twinkle, and I go down the monkey letter now. F, E, D. Now you know how to play Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, how I wonder what you are. But let's break it down. So we are only going to go down the ladder for every rhythm. So let's do what's after ukulele hot dog. You got it. Ice cream cone. Ready? Ice cream, cone, ice cream, cone, ice cream, cone, ice cream, cone. First finger on the first fret. This is called F. Let's go down the ladder. F, and then open E, and then D, and then C. Ready, play. F, E, D. Two more times. F, ready. Oh, not F, two more times. Down, pony, up, pony next. Ready, play. Down, pony, up, pony, down, pony, up, pony. D now. Now C. Now strawberry, blueberry, strawberry, blueberry. First finger, F now. Ready, play. Strawberry. Now E, strawberry, blueberry. D, second finger. Now open C. Okay, last rhythm. Ready? Mississippi is a river. Ready? Go. Mississippi is a river. Mississippi is a river. Mississippi is a river. Mississippi is a river. Now let's do I wonder what you are. First finger, first fret. This is called F. Ready, play. F, E, D, C. Last time. F, ready, go. How I wonder what you are. Okay, now what you want to do now is practice the first line of Twinkle and the second line of Twinkle, and then the next video we're going to put it together and make an entire bread together. I'll see you next time.